Hello, it's Jackie Green from GA Interior Solutions, where we are helping build a stronger design community through training educational resources. Today I have a quick tutorial on how to use the Align tool, Split Elements tool, Pin and Unpin in Revit. These three tools work well together for a number of reasons. After you complete this video, you will be able to quickly align elements, pin and unpin, and split walls. To help you practice, I have included the exercise file that you can follow along with the video. You can now open how to align, split, and pin exercise. Included are 3 exercises along with several practice exercises. Now that you have the file open, under the Modify tab, we can see that we have the Align tool, which looks like a bar graph. We have the Split element, shortcut SL. We have the Split with Gap. We have the Pin, which looks like a push pin. In this exercise, we are going to align 2 walls. So let's zoom in here to exercise 1. Now the key here to alignment is you select what you want everything else to align to first. Okay, so I'm going to hit the Align tool. I'm going to select the wall in which I want the other wall to align. So I click there once, you can see I have this little dotted line, and then I select the other wall, and there they are, they're aligned. Okay, now I'm going to hit escape twice so I can get out of the command. Now I want to align these chairs. This is really neat. So we have this alignment, but if you look under here, we have an option bar where we can say multiple alignment. If I check this box, I actually can select what I want to align to, which is this chair. Then I can go and select all the items I want to align. So as I go through here, I don't have to go back and reselect the original one. I can just align everything all at once. So if I hit escape now, I'm out of that tool. Pretty neat, right? Okay, let's move on over to practice 1, Align tools. Here we're going to align the doors, windows, and chairs. Now when we go up to Align and click it or hit AL, which I'll do this time, you'll notice under the options we still have the box checked multiple alignment. Revit does this nice thing where it remembers what you did last time. However, sometimes it can be kind of inconvenient. So I'm going to uncheck that, and then I'm going to go down and I'm going to select my door, and I'm going to align this door with that. The same with the windows. I can then select this window and align that window. Select this window and align this window. Okay, now we can move on to aligning the furniture. You can see I have the table here. I'm going to hit AL, and then I'm going to center my chairs with the center of the table, and I can actually move my chairs in as well. Now if I'm having a problem finding the right edge, if you tab along, you will find the different areas. See how I'm just hitting tab here? You can get the different sections that indicate where to align to. Let's see, here we go. We'll align this guy, and the edge, we'll align. There we go. We now have a nice little set of table and chairs. Hit escape twice, and I have completed that section. Now it's time to pause the video. You can move on to practice 2, which includes a restroom that you will be aligning different elements and components. Okay, now we're going to move on to exercise 2, splitting elements. In this exercise, we are going to learn 2 ways to split an element. We often use split an element with another function such as trim. Let me show you what I mean. In the top example, we will split the wall and then trim the corners. First, let me show you if I didn't split, what would happen. If I go up to trim corner and I trim here, you will see that 1, I get this error message, but I also get this where I lose part of my wall. So I'm going to hit cancel, and then I'm going to go back. I can easily hit Control Z too. I'm going to hit escape, and this time I'm going to go up to split element. The shortcut is SL. I'm going to split this wall right here in the middle with my knife, and then I'm going to use my trim tool to trim my corners. See how nice and neat that is? Perfect. Hit escape twice to get out of that tool. Now the second split tool we have is called Split with Gap, and here I'm going to split this wall. What's nice about the split with gap is that it actually removes the section of the wall that you don't need. So as I select the split with gap, I'm going to go down here and select where I want the wall to be removed. Now all I have to do is hit escape twice. I can actually delete that wall. It's easy. Now I can trim the corners if I wish as well. Now you can pause the video and you can practice split elements on practice 1. Okay, before you go, I want to show you Pin and Unpin. This is a very useful tool. It helps reduce the chance of accidentally moving or deleting something you don't want to move. When I first started using Revit, I kept accidentally moving the exterior walls of a building I was trying to space plan. It would aggravate the architect to no end. So he went ahead and pinned all the items I couldn't move. So if I tried to move it, I would get a warning, and this helped me from accidentally doing something I wasn't supposed to do. It also got me into a really good habit of pinning things, such as floors, and so that I don't accidentally shift things. So you can pin by selecting the item, and then you can go up to select the window here. I can go up here and hit the pin. You can also notice that now it has a little pin. If I want to unpin that, all I do is select it. The same thing down here. If I want to select that item, I can either hit Pin, and I have that pin. Now let's go ahead and pin this one with Pin. Now that I have both of those pinned and I decide, oh, I want to move that, I can either hit the unpin here or I can hit it up here with the X. Okay, here on the vanity counter with the 2 sinks, I can actually do a bounding box around those and then hit pin. And notice that they're all pinned together. Same here on the chairs. If I want to pin something, I have this one pinned, I can unpin it so that I can move it around. It's really that easy. You can continue to practice. How do you feel? You are now an expert in using the Align tool, Split Elements tool, and pinning and unpinning. Nice job! I hope you found this video helpful. The Modify tools in Revit are so helpful. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, you may find our other tutorials valuable as well. We have a special offer right now, how to use the Modify tools in Revit. There are 6 videos, all for free. All you have to do is sign up today at www.gainterioursolutions.com/RevitTools. GAI offers several training options to help interior designers learn Revit. Our training programs are designed for all types of learning styles. If you are interested in learning Revit, we can help. GAI offers live team training programs over 3 to 5 days, individual refresher or courses customized to your specific needs, and digital courses that enable you to work through at your own pace. To learn more about the different training options at GAI, or just to check out more educational tutorials, visit us at gainterioursolutions.com/training to learn more.